Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Tonight is spicy shrimp tacos with cilantro lime slaw. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. All the goodies for the slaw. The dressing and the cabbage and cilantro. The completed slaw. And the second mise en place in order of appearance. All the goodies for the shrimp. All the spices are together with the shrimp. And everything's mixed together. Add some ghee to the hot pan. Saute some red onion for a few minutes. Add some garlic and saute for about another minute. Add the dressed up shrimp. And we have the completed shrimp. And we have a completed spicy shrimp taco with cilantro lime slaw. Thank you for joining me at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Tonight is spicy shrimp tacos with cilantro lime slaw. Have fun cooking.